So this is part 2. The meat's been in there for a little bit. What I like to do is, the ventral, I like to clog it up. That way it keeps all the moisture right into the meat in a Ninja cooking system. But it's looking pretty good. After it cooks down a little bit more, I'll let the meat get on the bottom of the heating element. And then put all the veggies on top, and it keeps the meat nice and moist. So, I love this thing. Oh yeah, this is part 2. I didn't put it on the video like part 2. I'm just talking about part 2. But, like I said, it cooks everything nice. What I did is I put up on high at first. Now it's on, let me see, it's on low stove. And you plug up the little hole, and it keeps the heat in real good. So it's like a slow cooker, fast cooker, kinda. So we'll be back when I flip the meat back over. So now that the chicken is like halfway cooked, right? Sorry, it's a little blurry here, but we take the cover off very genteel way. And the chicken's like opaque. It's not cooked all the way through, but it's not burning either. So we take out a wooden spoon. Back in the day, they used to call this, when I was growing up, an attitude adjuster. Because if you had a bad attitude, your mother would just take this right out of the kitchen and on the hands. And I used to call that an attitude adjuster. But anyway, we flip it over, and you can see, still little pigments in there. But now we cover it up with all the vegetables. Just cover it right up. And the butter's in there, and everything's been melted down. Now the chicken will soak up all the juice from these vegetables and the broth. So your breast of chicken won't be dry at all. It'll be juicy, juicy. So we let this cook down, probably for another hour or so. And just cover it up with some onions. All these vegetables have tons of water in them, so your meat won't be dry at all. It shouldn't be, especially with all the butter and olive oil. And just lace it with vegetables. I'm trying to do it with one hand, but you can see that broth is like. And if you wanted to, when this comes out, you slice the meat thin, make a sandwich with it, You just make a sandwich with it. I should use a better spoon, though. Get a ladle. And with this ladle, here we go. Ladle the meat with the vegetables. Get them drowning in it. Baste the meat. Whoops. But anyway, you get the idea. Just keep the meat covered as much as possible, and baste it once in a while. Try to get a lot of these veggies on the meat, like that. Whoops. And let it sit on low heat until the meat thermometer says it's safe to eat the chicken. Like 165, whatever it is. But I'll make part 3, and then we'll see how it came out. And this video is brought to you by Mr. Coffee. Mr. Coffee makes the best coffee pods. You know? They're not even expensive. You know? You just $10. $10 at Walmart. Now it's brought to you by Walmart. And Mr. Coffee. $10. Can't beat it. Alright, we'll be right back. And, so you have your Ninja. You make a cup of coffee with Mr. Coffee. You buy it at Walmart, $10, whatever it is. And enjoy yourself.